Good morning. Today we're going to be reviewing the Duralast Insta-Power battery charger. This is mobile jumper cables I got from AutoZone for $84. This is one of the best purchases I've ever made because I drive a hoopty, I drive a beater, a clunker. It has a great light on the front in case you're jumping at night. Also, it's a USB port because my cigar lighter is broken because nothing in my car works correctly. You just charge it, you just plug it in the back in your home in a regular charger or a regular outlet. You can see the prongs in the back. It takes about 10 to 12 hours. Make sure you charge it fully your first use, that way you don't damage the internal battery. And that USB port comes in so clutch, and this thing is so tiny. That's the best part about it. I can like charge this at work, I can charge this at the gym without it attracting unwanted eyes. People like to swipe stuff. But here's the person ratio, how big it is to me, the person to device ratio. They do have a larger version of this that is more powerful in case you have a truck. And once again, my car be breaking down. I'm just not trying to pay this car payment like over my dead body. I like my money in my pocket. Here's me living that hoopty life on the side of the road, well, or more like in the gym parking lot. But this thing starts up every time. That's what I like about it, the reliability of this. It has never failed me. It helps me when I'm doing outside workouts, if I'm hooping, whatever the case may be, near bonfires. I can just whip this bad boy out, and whoever needs juice, I got you. Let me know what you guys think about this. Please do give it a try. Especially, the hardest part is when you don't back in and there are two people next to you and it's impossible to get a jump. You will be stranded. I've been there and I was like, never again. And this was my solution. I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy the video. I would highly recommend this. 5 out of 5 stars. You guys take care. I'm out. Peace.